Hello everyone, hope so you all are doing good. In this video I'll show you how to enable second WhatsApp in OnePlus Turbo 6X. Before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe and watch our complete video.